So you're thinking about trying ZipPay? Ever scrolled through an online store, heart set on that perfect outfit or that must-have gadget, only to flinch at the checkout? Been there, done that. Especially these days, when everything seems to cost a little bit more. That's where buy now pay later services like ZipPay come in, promising a way to stretch your budget and snag those goodies without the immediate financial strain. But before you dive headfirst, let's talk about the real cost of ZipPay. Because yes, while ZipPay itself doesn't charge interest on your purchases, there can be some hidden fees lurking in the shadows. We'll crack open that box and see what it all means for your wallet. First things first, ZipPay operates on a system of splitting your purchases into manageable chunks. You choose what you want to buy, ZipPay pays the seller up front, and then you pay ZipPay back in installments. Sounds pretty straightforward, right? Well, that's where the potential fees come into play. The biggest one is the monthly account fee. It's a flat rate of $9.95, but here's the good news. This fee is actually waived if you manage to pay your statement balance in full by the due date. So, if you're disciplined and can stick to your repayment plan, you can avoid this cost entirely. Think of it like a gym membership. You only pay if you actually use the service. Miss a payment though, and you'll be hit with a late fee of $5. Again, not a bank breaker, but those little charges can add up over time. Here's another factor to consider: minimum repayments. ZipPay requires you to pay back a minimum amount each month. This can be a fixed amount or a percentage of your outstanding balance, whichever is higher. The key thing to remember here is that paying only the minimum won't get you out of debt quickly. In fact, it might mean you end up paying interest on the outstanding balance, which kind of defeats the purpose of a service like ZipPay, right? So, how can you avoid these potential pitfalls? Here are some ZipPay pro tips. Be realistic about what you can afford. Don't get carried away by the convenience factor and max out your credit limit. Work out a budget that incorporates your ZipPay repayments. Treat it like any other bill. Set up automatic repayments. This way, you'll never miss a due date and incur those late fees. Pay more than the minimum whenever possible. This will help you clear your balance faster and avoid any interest charges. Remember, ZipPay can be a useful tool, but it's not a free ride. By being aware of the potential fees and using the service responsibly, you can make it work for you without breaking the bank. Now, this video isn't sponsored by ZipPay in any way, so you can trust that this is a straight-up take on the costs involved. There are other buy now pay later options out there, so be sure to do your research and compare fees before you commit. Ultimately, the best way to manage your finances is to spend less than you earn. But hey, we all need a little retail therapy sometimes, right? Just do it wisely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.